Welcome to the CSS Units slide. In this slide, we'll get to explain some acceptable CSS units that you can use to outline your measurements. CSS provides various valid suffixes that, when combined with a number, offer a measurement or a distance within the HTML body. For instance, you have the pixel, which by default is a static value, meaning that no matter how large or small the viewport, which in other way means the screen of the device viewing your content on the web browser is, it is still going to maintain the size as it is, be it 10 pixels, 20 pixels, or 40 pixels. You have a percentage, which is a dynamic value as it changes with respect to the screen resolution. So you can have 20%, 50%, or 100% of the viewport size. And when I'm saying viewport, I'm literally meaning the screen orientation of the device accessing your website. You have the viewport width. This refers to the width of the device that are used to visit the website. You have the 20 VW, which stands for viewport. You have the 50 VW or the 100 VW. Now, this is more unique if you're trying to target the exact width of the device viewing your website. In as much as you have the viewport width, you also have the viewport height, which targets the length or the height of the device viewing your website online. You have the acronym to be VH, which stands for viewport edge. You can have any value at all that you want to have, provided you know what you're trying to calculate. You have seconds. This deals with time and is mostly used for animation and also transitioning element properties. You can have 2s, which stands for seconds, 0.8s, or 10s. It all depends on the speed you want to create. The last is the fraction, which divides up the device screen into 12 equal parts. Now, it's mostly used in grid layouts when you're trying to structure your layout in a grid format. You can have 3f, meaning it should take 3/12 of the screen size. You can have 4fr, meaning it should take 4/12 of the screen size. And that is how you go from one level to another. In the next slide, we'll get to discuss about the box model and how to use the box model to our advantage in CSS.